In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome country location. If you need to see what people in another part of the world are seeing on Google, whether it's news, shopping results, or trending pages, this quick walkthrough will set your search region in just a minute or two. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to google.com/preferences. This is Google's official preferences page, and it's the most reliable way to tell Google which region you want your search results to reflect. You can type that address directly into the address bar and hit enter to open the page. Once you're there, look to the left sidebar. Click Other Settings and then select Language and Region. This is the area that controls how Google interprets your regional context. Depending on updates to the interface, the layout may look a little different, but you're aiming for the Language and Regions section under Other Settings. Next, find Results region. Click it and you'll see a list of countries. Scroll through the list and pick the country you want Google to prioritize for your searches. When you've made your choice, hit Confirm. What this does is tell Google to surface results, news, and context that are most relevant to that specific country. It won't change your browser's language automatically, and it doesn't disguise your IP address. It simply adjusts the region preference that Google uses to rank and display content. To make sure it worked, head back to the Google homepage at google.com and scroll to the bottom. In the footer, you should see your new location listed. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick refresh. From this point forward, your searches should lean towards sources and perspectives from the country you selected, which is especially helpful for researching local developments, comparing prices in regional markets, or checking how a topic is covered internationally. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. This setting influences Google search results in Chrome, but other signals, like your general location and account preferences, can still play a role in personalization. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, each profile can have its own preference. And if you ever need to switch regions again, just return to the same preferences page and make a new selection. That's it. Your global search results are now unlocked. You're all set.